Playtime for Kids. I'm Lily, and I'm joined today by two of my favorites, Jack and Luna.
Hi!
Hi.
Well, the calendar has turned to October, and that means the start of something really exciting. What comes after October that we all look forward to?
Holidays!
And the holidays are the best. We get time with family and eat yummy food.
Exactly! The holidays are a wonderful season filled with family traditions, warm feelings, bright lights, and making new happy memories. It's a time for kindness and fun.
But do you know what do kids love most about the holidays?
I know. It's toys.
That's right, Luna. For a lot of kids, toys are a huge part of the fun. Whether you're unwrapping something new or just playing with your favorite toy from last year, they spark our imagination and help us learn.
We love playing with toys.
And we love seeing what new ones are out.
Well, because toys are such a fantastic part of being a kid, we have a big announcement for our channel. Our entire next video series will be dedicated to just that toy.
We get to play with toys on the show. Awesome!
We'll be showing you all the newest toys, reviewing some fun classics, and even doing some exciting unboxings and play sessions. It's going to be a blast.
You have to come back and watch.
We can't wait to share our favorites with you.
So, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss our first episode in the new toy series. See you next time for some amazing toy fun. Bye for now.